Okay, so now we have to pair the edges. So we need to find the first we'll try to fix with the top and bottom centers. So we have one piece which is already in place, so we need to find another piece which will fix it in place of this piece. So I think this is the piece which we can fix it. So we'll check whether it will fix or not. So we'll place it from here. So this is our center, bottom center or top center, and we'll try to fix it. Yes, so now we can see it is fixed properly. So what we'll do is we'll have to take this out of the way. Like this, and replace it with unsolved edge pieces, and then bring this up again like this and bring it back. So our center is not disturbed and we have one pair. So similarly we'll find the opportunities. Okay, so now we have to find some other similar pieces which we can fix. So we have, this is our top center and we have one piece which is already fixed. So we need to find similar piece like this which will fix here. So okay, we have this piece over here. So what we'll do is we'll bring it up like this, and then we have to place this piece over here. So simply we have to put it up like this, or what we can do is we can put it from this side also. So place it, then we have to replace with unsolved edge pieces. So we can replace it with unsolved one, bring this up, up, and bring it back. So this is intact and we have one more pair. So similarly we need to find the opportunities where all we can fix the edges. So now we have this kind of piece. Let's see if we have another piece, similar piece. If we have this piece, let's see if we can fix it. Okay, so let's see if we can move this piece from this direction. So this is more of placing pairing the edges. So I'm sure if you know how to pair the edge pieces, so it will be easier for you because this will take some time to pair. Okay, so we have this piece. No, this piece will not pair. This piece will try to pair it from this angle. Now now let's see. No, this also will not. So this is not properly been placed. This piece, let's see if we have similar piece like this. We should have that kind of this kind of piece. This is the one, but I am not too sure. So let us place this piece and bring this piece back like so, and we'll put it here, and we'll see if we can. No, this piece will also not be placed properly. Will this, I think, let's see if we can place this piece. Yes, so this is placed properly. So we'll place it from this side. So this will be paired with this piece. Okay, and now what we have to do is we have to replace it with unsolved one. Okay, so we'll replace it with unsolved. These are unsolved pieces. So replace and bring this back and up. So up. Okay, so our center is intact, and we have now three different pairs, 1, 2, and where is third one? This is third one. Okay, so now we need to find another opportunity. So this is big one piece, edge piece. We need to find similar edge piece, bigger one. So I think this will fit. So let's see if we can place it. Okay, so this will fix properly. So we'll replace it with unsolved edge pieces and bring this back and up. Okay, so one more pair. Okay, so now we need to find another similar piece. We need to find one piece for this place. I think this is already paired, I mean it fits with this center, so we need one more piece similar to this, wherein there will be this kind of curve. So probably this. Okay, this. So what we'll do is we'll try to place this piece and see whether it fits with this. Yes, it fits. So what we'll do is we'll place it from here. So it fits with this, then we'll replace it with unsolved edge pieces. Or we can take it from this side also and replace it with unsolved one. Bring this back and back. Okay, so we have one more pair. Okay, so now we'll find one piece for this edge piece, which will be I mean it will be similar to this, but I mean bigger piece. So this piece might fit into this. Okay, yes. So what we'll do is we'll fix it from here. You can fix it from anywhere. I am comfortable with this, so I am doing it. So you can fix it from any angle. So it is similar to 4x4 edge pairing, and then you need to bring this back. Okay, so okay, now we need to pair with, I mean we need to fix with this center, and then we'll see how many pairs are pending. So we'll see which one fits where. So it could be of any layer, it could be of top layer or bottom layer. So we'll try to see. So this I think will fit here properly, and now we'll have to fix this. So let's see if we can fix. No, this will not fix. We'll try to fix this. Okay, this is fixed here. Okay, now we'll see which one fits where. Okay, so this is fixed here. Then let's see if we can fix this pieces from this angle. So yes, so this is also fixed. Okay, and now we need to fix this. We'll try to fix on this angle. Okay, I think it fixes. No, it is of this side, so it doesn't fit. This doesn't fit well, so I think we'll try this layer. Okay, this fits very well, so it is of this side. Okay, now let's see if we can. We have this, and we'll see if we can fix it. Okay, so this is, we have 3 pairs which are already fixed into its correct position. Okay, now I think this is the bigger one, so this might fix here. Okay, or it can be flipped, so we'll try from this angle. Okay, so I think this is perfectly placed. Now we move this piece out, so we'll place it here. Now we have one pair which may fix here, so we'll try from this angle. First we'll try this one, smaller edge pieces. We can, no, this will not fix, so we'll try this. Okay, this is also not properly fixing up, so we'll try from this angle. Okay, so this fits well, and now now you can see we have 1 2 3 4 edges of top, and we have 1 2, so this 2 edges will fix here. Let's see, I think this will fix from this angle. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll bring this back so that this will not get disturbed. Okay, so now you can see we have our first layer, second layer, third layer, and this is fourth layer, and we have these pieces which we can easily fix here like this. So we'll swap this piece and we'll place it here. So I mean it is edge swapping algorithm we can use of 3x3. Okay, so now we are left with one pair which we need to fix here. So before that, now what we will do is we'll fix the corners of first layer. So I think this corner belong to this side, or maybe this corner belong to this side, so we'll try to fix either of this corner. So it is RU, R prime, U prime, so let's try to fix it. Okay, so this is fixed. Okay, now we'll try to fix this. Okay, so this is also fixed. I think either this corner or probably this corner. Let me check. Okay, so this is the right corner for this side, this is the wrong one. Okay, so now we are left with the last piece. I think probably this could be the piece. Okay, so now we can see we have completed the first layer. So our first layer is done. Now we have to first see these are the second and third layer. So in second layer we need to orient this corner, because this corner is rotated, so we need to rotate it back. So how can we rotate it? So it is very simple. We have to first bring this bottom layer pieces and take it to top layer, bring this entire layer into back side, and now we will orient the way we want to orient it. So this is the right orientation, or it could be this. So now we can see all the centers are oriented. Now what we will do is we'll bring this layer which we brought it back. So now we'll bring this on top again and put it into its original position. So now we can see it is oriented. So now we have to first check which all layers, which all centers are basically being properly placed. Otherwise we need to find the centers which are for the second layer. So we need to first check which all centers are basically fit flush with the first layer. So let's see. No. So I'm just checking each and every center with the first layer. So whether any of the center is fitting flush with the first layer or not. So we need to find. Okay, so now see this layer is, this center is fitting flush with the first layer. So this is the right center pieces for second layer. So similarly we need to find, this is also looking similar, but it is not fitting flush properly. So this is the right center. We need to find the other centers for the second layer. So what we will do is we'll try to rotate this layer upside down. So what we will do is we'll simply, so now we know this is the center for second layer, sorry, this is the center for second layer. So we need to change this three centered pieces. So first we'll try to change this one. So what we'll do is we'll first bring this up, this, and bring it to back side, and what now we will do is we'll again rotate it on top, and now we'll bring it back. So what it will do is it will bring this top layer into bottom layer. So now we'll check whether this okay, this is, so we need one center piece which will be similar to this. So what we'll do is we'll bring either of this layer over here and we'll check. So first we'll bring it up, we'll bring this layer up, take it to back. Now what we'll do is we'll have to bring this layer, we'll bring this unsolved layer into the place where we need to switch these centers. So this will be on back side, and now what we'll do is we'll bring this second layer centers over here, and this will be on back side. Okay, so now this layer will check, will what we'll do is we'll we'll have to try this one. So what we will do is we need this one on top. Okay, so what we'll do is first we'll bring this layer on top and then we'll bring it here. So for that what we need to do is we need to bring this unsolved pieces which we have brought it from top layer, and now what we'll do is we'll simply bring it up. So now this layer we have to move it here like this, and now we will bring this up. So this is nothing but placing the second layer center pieces into its correct position. So what we have to do is now we have to bring this layer which belongs to this side, and now bring it back like this. So this is into its correct position, and now we have to check whether this is the center. This center is also not fitting flush, so we need to find another similar pieces. So this could be the layer. So what we will do is we'll bring it over here, and now again we'll take this layer on top like this and bring it back, and now we'll bring this centers on top of it, and now place this layer again, and now we'll bring it back. Okay, now we'll see whether this layer is this center is fitting flush or not. Yes, now we can see it fit flush almost. Okay, yes, so this is in, this is in. So now we need to, even I think this is also in. No, we need to check this one, or this is the right one. It looks like it is the perfect piece for this place. Okay, so I think this is also fit flush for second layer. Okay, now we need to find the last one. So it could be this or this. Okay, so we'll try with this first. So let us first bring this layer up, bring it back. So now we have to place this. So what we'll do is we'll bring this up like so and place this corner, and now this layer, and now we have to check whether the centers are fitting flush or not. So this is fitting flush, but this center is not the right center, so we need to find, I think this center could be the center. Okay, so what we will do is we need to again bring this up, take this back, and now we will bring it this layer up on top of it, and now we'll again place this back. Okay, okay, so now let us see whether this is the right okay, yes, so this is the perfect center. So we have placed 1, 2, 3 and 4 centers into its correct position.